Hello, good noon, YouTube players. Hi, and I'm Tarzan in Facebook, Johnny in YouTube channel. Okay, guys, I would like to share all of you of what is the original life I am. So, this is the cow. I'm always content of the cow. This is my true to life story. This is my tent. How to that's my how to cook my food. And the cow is now he they they occupied of my house, my tent. That's the only the doyan. What is the assumptions that I my only I sleep on the night. So many witch here in the night. There's so many kind of local witch. Wak wak waka 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 wak 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 kikik, and there's so many more. So that's the life, guys. This is my life. Because of the Filipino people is very poor. That's why what we have a little money, you need to we invest starting for life. But of course we cannot com- complete or comply the any needs of our life. That's all, guys, because the short video is so limited. So thank you for watching. Bye.